Students of class 8, today let's learn the continuation of chapter 4, industries, from your social science geography. Well, in the previous class we have discussed the classification of industries on the basis of size, raw materials and ownership, isn't it? Today let's learn some of the factors that influence the location of industries. Well, industries are influenced by availability of raw materials. Okay, this is one of the factor. If the raw materials are available, industries could be established. Okay, any type of raw material, either it may be of agricultural products, or whether it may be of minerals, or it may be of marine raw material. All right, availability of raw materials are very, very important. Secondly, power, that is electricity. This is also one of the factor that influence the location of these industries. Where there is an efficient power supply or electricity supply, we could have this industry. We could establish industries. And the third one is good transport system. Okay, transport system is also, it's a very important factor. Okay, transport system, like sea transport, land transport, okay, trains, even road transport system. And also we need capital. In order to establish any industry, capital is a must. Okay, capital means money, the investment, so to say. And skilled labor. Though we have a lot of raw materials, if we don't have a skilled labor, then it will be very difficult to establish an industry, right? So the skilled labor is also a very important factor for the establishment or even for the location of these industries. Market are also important, in the industry, all the production of industry are sold in the market. If there is no market, then production, the meaning of production will be so to say meaningless, so to say. Okay, and we also need political consideration of a government. Okay, in India, the government encourage these industries, right? And also infrastructure. Infrastructure means the places and also the land or whatever it may be. All right, so these are the important factors you should remember. If I happen to ask you in the exam, you should tell us, or you should tell me availability of raw materials, power, electricity, good transport, good transport system, capital, skilled labor, market, political consideration of the government, and infrastructure. Okay, these are the important factors. All right, and industries, the world has a major industrial regions. Okay, some of them are Eastern North America. You can see from the map right here. Okay, all the portions which have been shaded in maroon color, they are industrial regions. All right, and in Western and Central Europe, around here, these are the places where industries are highly established. Okay, and even in eastern part of this Europe, places here, you can see from here, these are European countries. Okay, and in these industrial regions are located here in this region right here, and even in Eastern Asia. So most of the Eastern Asian countries like Japan, Korea, China and all. Even in India, you can see some portions of it. Even in South America, right? So these are the major industrial regions of the world. Okay, let's go to the next one. So features or factors associated with the distribution of major industries. Industries are mostly, majority of the basic industries are located near the coal fields. You have to remember that one. Okay, coal fields are important because they are a source of power, coal. Okay, it is also true in case of India. Even in India, most of the industrial regions are located near the coal fields. Okay, one of the advantage for the establishment of industries near the coal field is that they get efficient power system. All right. And secondly, most of the industries are also located near the seaports and rivers. Why? What is the reason? Because seaports, they play a vital role, okay, as far as the transport systems of the production or the products of the any industry. You know, they help the industry to export to different countries. They also help in the transportation of various products of industries. Okay, either it may be agricultural products or it could be food processing products. It could be transported through seaports. Okay, that is why most of the industries are located near the seaports and rivers. Major industrial regions are also located in the temperate areas. So if we look at this map once again, so these are temperate regions. Okay, so most of the places I have already highlighted here in this maroon color. Okay, if you look at the world map, you will be able to experience, you will be able to see that most of the industrial regions are located in the temperate regions. All right. So, as far as India is concerned, India also have different industrial regions. For example, like Gurgaon, Delhi, Meerut regions. So, the portion that has been shaded in gray color, these are industrial regions. Okay, they have different types of industries, okay, information technology industries, and also iron and steel industry, even manufacturing industry. Gurgaon, is Maruti Suzuki Maruti Limited is located in Gurgaon. So no, okay. Anyway, and we also have Gujarat region. Okay, this area. Okay, nearby this Cambay and Surat. In the last class we have already learned something about Surat. Gujarat regions, Chota Nagpur region. Okay, Chota Nagpur in Bihar or some part in Chhattisgarh. Jharkhand, not Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand. Okay, that region is known as Chota Nagpur region. And in Bengal, Hooghly regions. Okay, a lot of industries are established here. Visakhapatnam, Guntur region, Mumbai, Pune region, Bangalore and Tamil Nadu regions. Okay, and just below here in Kerala, Kolan, Tiruvananthapuram. They also have a region, industrial regions there. So if we look at the map, this very map, you will be able to see that most of the industrial regions, they are located near the seaports, or either they are located in the places where coal are available. Except those service industry and except those information technology industry. Mostly this Gurgaon as well as this Bangalore, they have an efficient network of this information technology. Well, major industries and distribution. Let us see, iron and steel industry are located mostly in China. These are the major industries. Okay, China, Japan, United States, Russia, Germany, and India. So if you look at the map here, so India is also one of the major iron and steel producing region, as well as iron and steel industrial region. Okay, Japan, China, even Korea, right? Germany, Europe, and in the western this part of the world, United States of America, and even in South Africa, Australia, and even this Brazil. They are the major iron and steel industry. are distributed around these places. Okay, the next one is textile industry. Textile industry are very popular in India, Hong Kong, South Korea, Taiwan, and Japan. Okay, so India, so Hong Kong is somewhere right here, and Taiwan, this small island is the Taiwan, Korea, especially this South Korea, and even Japan, this Japan. They are the regions where textile industries are located. And most importantly, this information technology industry are very popular. Okay, they are distributed especially in India as well as United States of America. Okay, United States of America here and India. Do not information technology. Okay, in the form of call center and outsourcing, BPO. Okay, so all these industries are located in the United States as well as India. So I think you have learned some of the important information technology locations of information technology industry as well as textile industry and iron and steel industry, isn't it? So I think for today we will just wind up here. I wish you should learn all the notes from the study material which I have sent you in your WhatsApp group. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. May God bless you, and also thank you so much for participating in this learning.